So this is a classic example of why you should stock trade in a way that minimizes risk and diversification. Now, diversification, what does that mean? So here, diversification means is that you, according to different industries, as you can see, that you got your health sector today is booming, right? You got your Eli Lilly, Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer, and so on and so forth, Abbey and all the rest of them. They are actually Thermo Fisher and all the rest of the healthcare products related, medical related stuff. They're booming, okay? In terms of communication service, only Google is rallying a bit, not even rallying, but it's in a positive. Whereas the rest, like Meta, Microsoft, actually down, Apple down, Samsung down by 3% today actually. Generally speaking, the tech sector's down, so is Tesla. Tesla down by 2.5%, and so on and so forth. As you can see, I just bought 2 shares of Tesla right there and there, live trading. Now, same with the energy. Energy is down, but if you were to invest in any one of them, for example, right, you would have struggled to make profit, because the stocks, they tend to go up and down. Sometimes they go up a little and then more down further. And so even if you use technical data, the best way to stock trade is actually to diversify. Here, like for example, I have stocks in different sectors. I have a bit of Microsoft. I have a lot of Apple at the moment. That's because Apple's very low at the moment. I have a small amount of Google. I have Oracle, only a small amount of Oracle. I have a lot of Tesla. I bought more Tesla, as you can see. I will probably buy more Tesla if it drops further. I had healthcare, but I sold them. I still have one healthcare, United Health. Only a small share of United Health I have. I had Thermo Fisher previously. I sold it. I don't have any more. In terms of energy, I have Exxon. I have Chevron. So what I've done is I've diversified it. And so to give you an example, look what happens when you diversify your stock. Right? Let's have a look. See, I got Wise. That's rallying. I'm going to sell it shortly. Take a little profit. You might say, okay, little profit, but also because I haven't traded in stock Wise for a bit, so I'm actually testing the waters and seeing its movements, feeling it, getting a feel for it. Then I'll go big in it. Same with United Health. As I said to you, Tesla, I bought some. I'll buy more. Plug Power, I decided to tackle this, so I'm buying more shares. I bought shares today. Buying more at 420. What I want to do is I want to close my gap. I already closed it. I was 6 something. I moved it I managed to chop away from 6 something to 5 something. So I shaved off about 4-5%. Buy more shares. So I'll start tackling this one. I bought shares of Pets at Home in order to bring it to a profit. So it's very close to a profit there. PayPal, I've also tackled that as well. I bought shares, about half. I bought 20 shares, brought that deficit down. I'm very close to profit. Like I said, Oracle, Ocado, I'm testing it out. I'll go big in it. Previously, I had 2K invested in this. Neo, I'm testing it. I'm going to go big on it shortly. I'm just going to see where it's going to drop. I do have orders at 730. I'll probably buy more at 750. Actually, I will buy more. I'll buy some. I'll buy 20. Nope, I'll go with 30. Tell you what, I'll go with 45. Yeah, 45 at 750. By the end of today, you'll reach that figure. And the reason why I'm doing this, I'm buying small amount at a time. That way I'm managing my loss as it goes down. There are different strategies when it comes to swing trading. This is my strategy and it works consistently. Netflix, I'm okay with it as it is. If it drops further, I'll buy more shares. I bought JD earlier today actually, when the market opened. I'm already up 1.35%. I could have bought more, but I've decided to just go with a safe amount because this stock is volatile, highly volatile. Exxon, I got an order set at 99, 2 shares. So what I'm doing is averaging down where the support line is. I'll sell this off. I put an order to sell this at 157.34, but the limit is 160. Taking profit here and there. This one I'll go big on it actually. If it drops further down, if it drops further minus my position, I'll buy more. I'll probably buy 60 more, so I'll strengthen my position here. So yeah, it's, you know, stock trading is it's like you're playing a game of chess, and you have to be on it always. You have to use different things like risk management strategies, and you know, you have to get a feel for the stocks. You can't be greedy. You can't take a nosedive without knowing what's underneath, what's you know, how deep the water, how deep the pool is, without knowing what's at the bottom of the pool. You know, so if you take a nosedive, it could burn you, and a lot of people, they've been burnt by stock trading. Unless you do it safely like I do, you have to understand what stock trading is about.